Welcome to Best School Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the Gboard theme on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. By default, when you open any keyboard, you can see this is the default keyboard theme. If you want to change it a dark theme, light theme, also you can set your own photo as the background in the theme. So let's see how to change the keyboard theme or Gboard theme on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other device. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to system. So tap on a system. Here you can find the keyboard option. Tap on it. Now tap on the on-screen keyboard at the top. So tap on it. Here you can see the Gboard option on your device. So tap on the Gboard. Now tap on the theme option here. Here you can see the My Themes. Tap on a plus icon to select your own photo. First of all, see you can see the three option default system auto. Like here you can see how it looks. Keyboarders if you want to set like this on your device. You can select system auto default theme like this or a dynamic color theme which will automatically set on your device. At the bottom you can see a different color theme like you select this theme and you can see this type of background on your device. Also you can see the landscape mode, light gradient, dark gradient. So this is the all available theme you can set on your device. If you want to set your own photo, tap on the plus icon, select any photo from your device. Like here we select this photo on my phone. Now crop you want to set, tap on the next button. Now here you can increase or decrease the screen background like this. Keyboard adjust brightness you want set on the device. Like here we set this option, tap on a done. Here you can enable or disable keyboarder if you want to show your own photo. To enable or we turn off it, tap on apply button or change the keyboard theme. When you open the keyboard, you can see how it looks on your device. So very helpful feature to change the keyboard theme or change the keyboard theme on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.